हटा लीजिए थोड़ा पीछे आशीष भाई पीछे पीछे
अपन पुरोहित जी प्लीज present this nice moment from
नहीं
Sujay Jairaj ji also
अरे भाई विराज भाई अरे टेबल हटाओ नहीं ये सब थोड़ा पीछे
हम हटाएंगे प्लीज
थोड़ा आगे आ रहे हैं भाई
जमुना साहब प्लीज क्लियर द टेबल प्लीज सुजय जी
यहाँ से गए नहीं अरे बेटा पीछे पीछे थोड़ा पीछे मैडम
I request Seema Singh ji and Sehbag to please felicitate Aparna Purohit ji for all the lovely work she's been doing throughout.
पीछे पीछे का टेबल पीछे का टेबल हटा दो जाइए
Big round of applause for Aparna Purohit ji.
जा रहे रुकना हो गया अरे टेबल पीछे
Okay, media please settle down. मुझे आगे presentation बाकी है.
अरे इधर इधर चलेगा अरे वो टेबल हटा भाई एक
Sir, हटा है, sir, एक second, sir.
फोटो नहीं मिल रहा है टेबल ले लीजिए एक मिनट मैम अभी सब पीछे चले जाने खाली हो गए सब
Now can I have the memento to present it to Bhumi
सेंटर में ये सेंटर में थोड़ा है भाई
ji and Asif Bhavna ji to present the beautiful momentum and sapling to
Bhumi ji
Bhumi Pednekar ji.
Also, ladies and gentlemen, please the applause going on.
The actual Dragon warrior Bhumi Pednekar, Amrita Manu, please present this beautiful moment. Now I would request Sujay Jairaj ji and Asif Bhavna ji to present this beautiful momentum to the First Lady of Maharashtra, Mrs. Amrita Fadnavis ji. Big round of applause for Amrita ji for putting all the contribution towards environment, social activities. She's a banker, singer, and as well the founder of the Vyas Foundation. Can I have a small memento for Mr. Bhamani Rani ji? Amrita ji, please present this memento for Bhamani Rani ji and to Seema Singh ma'am also from Mega Shrey.
इसका नाम
Now, जब हमने रिक्शा की बात की, क्या प्लीज for Seema Singh ma'am? I would request Nupur Sana to please come on stage and receive this beautiful momentum for yeah. Yes. Nupur Sana ji. Yeah. Ira Alzani ji also please come on stage. But to begin with, now we have Mr. Sujit Patil, the CEO of Golden Industry Bill. I would request Sujit ji to speak about our association and especially something for hygiene for the rickshaw drivers which we have. I think we should hear from you now.
Hi everybody, I think it was a wonderful conversation. I couldn't agree more. First of all, a big round of applause to all four of them. Very profound conversation and I could relate to it from the corporate world where the boss is a lady, 60% of my team is women, a mother at home, my wife. I think women are rock stars. A big round of applause to all women. I think this initiative that Mr. Bhavna and Sarah taken is, I think, a brilliant one, empowering women to, actually become independent, self-proficient in terms of their livelihoods. And it's been a pleasure for us at Godrej Industries Group. On behalf of our chairperson, Mr. Nadir Godrej, I would like to thank the Bhavna Foundation and we love the way, the passion, the amount of energy that's brought in to take this message to the world. I think we need to keep on doing that in terms of sustainability, livelihoods and everything. I don't want to add much because of four wonderful ladies have done a fabulous job. Thank you so much for this.
Thank you, Sujit ji. Thank you for all the support for the foundation. Now we have Mr. Bhamani Rani from Rustom ji, the chairman, to please.
By the way, थोड़ा सा मीडिया के लोग के पीछे जो बैठे आप लोग थोड़ा सा उनके साथ बातचीत कर रहे हैं। मेरी गुजारिश है थोड़ा सा सामने स्पेस दीजिए ना उनको। ये सारे बहुत ही अहम लोग बैठे पीछे। हर फील्ड से पूरे हमारे मुंबई शहर से सारे अलग अलग लोग आए वो बेचारे को देख नहीं पा रहे। दूसरी बात क्या है कि वहाँ देखिए रेखा जी बैठी है वहाँ वाटर स्कूल से आए अलका जी बैठी है तो तो मेरा कहना है कि पवन जी से पैशनेट एनवायरनमेंट के साथ नीचे we have you on stage also please
Ashish Kurmakar ji, please come on stage.
So I will give it to Baman because Baman is a passionate environment. For me, he's not just a developer. He's a man who has a site. So I'll request him to say, thank you. सब लोग एक मिनट अपनी अपनी बात रखें.
very quickly, first of all, congratulations and a big round of thanks to Bhumi, Aparna ji, Ma'am Patnavis, and the way you all spoke, it came from the heart. Also, it shows when you do something and then you kind of talk about it, it really makes a lot more sense than just talking. So, like he says, we also do a lot of environmental work, but I think the one thing that we can continue doing is putting in the minds of my young friends out there. Hello, everybody. Hello, kids. So, putting in the mind of my young friends out there that we have only one planet. Before Elon Musk takes us to Mars, we have only one planet. Let's take care of it. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhavanji. Absolutely, one planet and this generation is really concerned for the environment. We have very talented Nupur Shannon. She's been doing such wonderful work. Please, Nupurji, few words because you have a lot of thought for your fashion, sustainable fashion, Nupurji.
Firstly, I'm so happy to be here, and I want to say to Mr. Asif Amla and Seher, who's a dear friend, keep creating rooms like these for all of us to have these serious conversations about all these issues. And I'm so excited for the Pink E-Rickshaw initiative. Honestly, I believe in sustainability. I'm trying to do that with my brand as much as I can. And I also believe in women empowerment. And this particular initiative, when I got to know about it, I was so happy to be a part of it. Whatever little part I can be of it, because it's actually doing both the things in such a beautiful way. Also, Amrita ji is here, and Amrita ji, Bhumi, Aparna, Seher. It was so lovely to see all of you speak so well about all the issues and also about the Pink E-Rickshaw initiative. I was on the first seat over there, and you guys filled me up as a woman with so much energy. So thank you so much.
रिक्वेस्ट सीमा जी टू सब लोग मुझे वक्त है, सब एक मिनट अपनी बात रखें। सीमा जी, आप भी अपना शब्द, क्योंकि आप पर्यावरण, महिलाओं के लिए कई सारे उपक्रम करते हो और अमृता जी के भी दिल से बड़े करीबी और बाजू में ही खड़ी है, तो दो शब्द आप।
Good evening, everyone. Firstly, I would like to congratulate Bangla Foundation, Asif Bhai, Seher for all incredible work. Means हर साल environment day, पूरे साल प्लांटेशन हो गया। इस साल उन्होंने हर एक पेड़ हर किसी से माँ के नाम पे लगवाया और पूरे साल हम लोग उस इनिशिएटिव को फॉलो करते हैं। बट दिस पिंक रिक्शा ट्रस्ट के लिए और भी बिकॉज यू आर empowering women and you are for safety purpose also. So this cause is very close to my heart and many congratulations for such amazing work. बस मैं खुदा से, भगवान से यही प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि आपको और शक्ति प्रदान करे और हम सब मिलकर इस तरीके से अच्छे कार्य अपने सोसाइटी के लिए और देश के लिए करें। तो बहुत शुभकामनाएं, धन्यवाद। और स्कूल सुजय जी, मैनी थैंक यू फॉर giving this kind of opportunity. So big thank you everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Seema ji. I request Sachin Joshi ji to please come on stage along with Seven. आप भी अलग मंच पे please. Seven, please come on stage now. Sujit ji, you have women hygiene here. हमने बात की from Godrej Industry has something to present to the rickshaw drivers. First, I think we should give the award to Nupur ma'am. Can I have the momentum, please? Nupur, Seher, please. Seema ma'am will give away the small momentum to Nupur Shannon ma'am. Sachin Joshi ji. And now we have the Mahila Auto Rickshaws. So please, आप लोग आइए यहाँ पर एक छोटा सा hygiene please आए हमारी महिला ऑटो रिक्शा वाली जी हमारी ये माँ the power of women driving rickshaws on the road. Please come join us. Big round of applause, guys. These are Mahila rickshaw chalaks who will be driving the road of Mumbai. And I request Mr. Sujit Patil to please give the small hygiene partner of Mahila Foundation block to hand over this beautiful cake to the Mahila rickshaw drivers.
चाबी हाथ में दे। अरे यार देखते हुए वो लोग ही नहीं चाहिए क्या? एक बच्चा जा भी नहीं। अरे वो एक लड़का आया था भाई, मैं जा बेटा। पीछे
Ladies and gentlemen, this is right for future, our planet. Can we have a huge round
Thank you everyone. I request all to please kindly be seated down. I call the next round of my what is right now. I request after the photo op, please thank you everybody. Kindly be seated. All of you all please come and be seated. Amrita ji please आप रहिएगा. Thank you very much. Thank you Nicole. Thank you Sujit ji please. Now we have few more awards. Thank you Sonali Guru ma'am please. मेरा नाम please इधर आ जाइए. We go for the next award. Yes sir please sir. Yeah, we have Shreya Kataria from Kataria Jewelers. Can we have the moment of Shreya Kataria? Yeah. Yes sir ma'am please.
इधर देखिए
Kataria.
इधर
I would request Seema Singh please present Ms. Kataria from the Kataria Jewelers. Mrs. Amrita Patnas to please present this. Now I would like to call on stage Mr. Vijay Karia from Robin Group. Please come on stage. Mr. Vijay Karia along with Kesri Karia to please come on stage. Mr. Vijay Karia. Can we have, this is Ronak Roy from Hungama Group, please receive this memento. HP, please come. Can I have the sampling for Mrs. Ronak Roy? Okay. Amrita Patnavis to present this beautiful memento to the Robin Cables, Mr. Vijay Kataria. Amrita ma'am, please. Please receive the small memento for ma'am to Hedvi.
Alright, may I please invite Mrs. Meghna Rai, Mrs. Sheena Bendra,